Hey guys, Leon here. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. I'm actually going to take you through a guided meditation. So I've just done this in one of my coaching calls in the Sober Clear program. I took them through a guided meditation and I thought I could share this with you guys because there's going to be some power in this. Now, just before I start the meditation, I just want to remind you that if you want to get access to the new video training that I've made talking about how to get 100% control of drinking alcohol by using first principles thinking, then make sure to click the link in the description. It's a brand new video training that I've made. There's some game-changing content in there. So once you finish with the meditation, do make sure to go and check that out. Greetings and welcome to this guided stop drinking meditation. Get yourself comfortable, get yourself into a nice, comfortable seated position and slowly close your eyes. We're going to take a big deep breath in through the nose. And now slowly release that breath through the mouth. Nice, slow breaths. And again, big breath in through the nose. Then a big breath out through the mouth. And we're going to do 10 deep breaths to start the meditation. Again, big breath in through the nose and really fill your body with oxygen. Feel all the cells in your body just getting filled with that good oxygen. And then as you breathe out, I want you to feel very relaxed. So a big breath out through the mouth. And then in again through the nose. These big, deep breaths, filling your body, filling all your cells with oxygen. Then out through the mouth and just relax. And again, back in through the nose, that big, slow, deep breaths. And again, out through the mouth. Just go a little bit deeper into that relaxation. In through the nose, filling your body. And out through the mouth. It's a little bit deeper, a little bit more relaxed. Really just letting go of all that tension, all that stress. Just letting it go. And again, as you breathe in through the nose, filling your body with oxygen, filling it with life. And out through the mouth, feeling a little bit more relaxed. And again, through the nose. And out through the mouth. A bit deeper, bit deeper. We're going to do one more big breath in through the nose. And again, out through the mouth, a little bit deeper. We're just going to stay still there for about 10 seconds. Just keep that slow, deep breathing. And really relax. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to bring awareness to your scalp. So you're going to keep your eyes closed in that relaxed state and just slowly bring awareness to your scalp. And I want you to slowly work down to your temples, to your forehead, to your eyebrows, your eyelids, your cheeks, the tops of your ears, your earlobes. Bring awareness to your jaw, to your lips, to your teeth, to your tongue, to your chin, and slowly bring awareness to your neck. Bringing awareness now to your shoulders, then slowly work down the biceps, the triceps, all of your arms, then slowly bring awareness to your forearms. Can bring now awareness to your chest, to your upper back, and slowly go down to your lower back. Start bringing awareness to your stomach and your breathing. Now feel the awareness in your hands and your fingertips. And you'll probably feel a slight tingling sensation. Now bring awareness to your buttocks. Bring awareness to your hips, to your pelvis. Bring awareness to your groin. Bring awareness to your thighs, to your quads, to the front of the leg, to your hamstrings, the back of the leg. Then slowly scan down and start bringing awareness to your knees. Bring awareness to your calves, to your ankles. Start bringing awareness to your feet, to your heels, to the ball of your foot, to your toes. Now just take a few deep breaths. Again, big breath in through the nose. Then a slow release, going deeper into relaxation. Next, in this relaxed state, you're now going to imagine your consciousness, and I want you to try to bring as much awareness to your consciousness as possible. You'll probably feel your consciousness somewhere in the head, maybe at the front of the head, maybe in the center of the head, maybe just behind the eyes. And try to bring awareness to this. Now what I want you to do is I want you to imagine this consciousness as white light. And this white light suddenly floods your head. And it's this pure white light. Now imagine this white light starts to fill your entire face. And slowly it starts trickling down your body, and this white light just fills your entire body. This pure white light. And really just take a moment and allow that white light to just spread, and it can fill the entire room that you're in. Next, the white light fills the building that you're in. It fills the entire building, and everybody that's inside of it gets drenched in this white light. Now this white light starts spreading, and it fills your entire town. The entire town or city that you live in is just filled with white light. And everybody in the city or the town is just filled with this light. And it spreads. And all of a sudden your entire country is filled with this white light. And now the world is just filled with this white light. Really visualize this light. Everybody's affected by this light. And then slowly just come back to your breathing, in through the nose, and again out through the mouth. We're just going to take a few seconds with some deep breaths. Good, slow, deep breaths. Next, you're going to imagine yourself in a coffee shop. So you've just ordered your favorite drink, you've just sat down, and this coffee shop is busy. You can smell the coffee in the air, and you're sat down about to drink your favorite drink, and somebody walks into the coffee shop, and you seem to recognize them. And you look a bit closer, and that person is you. But this version of you is 3 years older. What are they wearing? What do you look like? And this version of you has done everything that they wanted to do. They're fully sober, and they've got the life that they really wanted. Who's that person with? Is it your spouse? Is it a different partner? Is it a new partner? Are they with children? Are they your children? What does that version of you feel like? Are they smiling? Are they confident? Are they happy? And this version of you walks up to you and says, "Mind if I take a seat?" And they sit down, and you sit opposite each other. And this version of you says, "I'm going to give you some advice." What would they say? What would they tell you? Would they tell you that you're on the right track? What changes did they make to get to where they are now? And you start asking this version of you questions. And I really want you to just take 2 minutes now to really have this conversation with the version of you that is just doing everything that you want to do. That version of you 3 years ahead of time, and you can ask this person questions. What have they done? How did they do it? What direction did they go in? And I really want you to just spend time visualizing what this person looks like, how they feel, how they behave, what achievements they've had. Really try to get a great vision and a great picture of how this person would be. I'm just going to take 2 minutes now for you to do that. And now this version of you says that it's time to go. They've got to go back to the home. And you ask them, where's the home? And they describe this perfect home, this home that you've always wanted. And you ask them what it's like, and what car they've got. And they start to tell you, they start to describe it. What do they say? What does it look like? And they say they've got to get up in the morning. They've got to go now. They've got a very important appointment. What is that appointment? Maybe it's a speaking engagement. Maybe it's a business meeting. Maybe just going to go and hang out with the children. What is that appointment? And you end up hugging each other. And what happens when you hug each other is you give yourself pure, unconditional love. And this love is just a pure, deep love. And you hug each other tight. And you just tell this version of you that you love them. And they say it back to you. They say, I love you. And And this version of you says goodbye, says everything's going to be okay. And now, what I want you to do is just come back to your breath again. Start breathing in through the nose, back out through the mouth. And you're going to take a few seconds, having a few more breaths. And when you're ready in your own time, you can slowly start to open your eyes. Now, I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Do let me know what you thought in the comments below. Do you want me to make more of these? Please do let me know. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks a lot.